Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to text, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-quality product and service. The BONOSS Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers have a lightweight plus design. The benefit of the lightweight plus designs of the BONOSS Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. And the BONOSS E-Class wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, another is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And the BONOSS Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers have multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. And match ISO grade 12.9 wheel bolts. The measure wheel stud use SCM4 steel material, and it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. And with the 12 pedal hand design, the pedal hands can only be manufactured by super forging technology. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolt also has a BONOSS engraved. By engraving the word B or BONOSS on each BONOSS extended wheel bolt, it expresses the guarantee of quality and the protection of customer interest. BONOSS has over 66 SGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provides OEM ODM service and customization service. You can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm and PCDCB conversion. BONOSS has a complete Mercedes E-Class wheel spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure production quality and precision, and has an efficiency production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our product and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have strong supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw material and production, meet the needs of large volume orders, and has a good sales network in various international markets. BONOSS Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the wheel spacer and make the wheel spacer safer, higher performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS, prepare your view.